Today I'm showing you something that can really help organize your nail products. Whether you're a nail tech, a mobile nail tech, traveling to clients, or just someone who loves doing nails at home, this ManiCaddy storage case from MelodySusie might be exactly what you need. Let's take a closer look at how it's designed and how much it can store. So first look, it's overall very aesthetic looking. It says MelodySusie on the front. The structure is very sturdy, so it keeps its shape and doesn't collapse even when it's empty or full, because right now it is empty and there's no way that's collapsing. It's very, very sturdy, which is nice. The outer material has a smooth leather-like texture that gives a very polished and minimal look while still feeling very durable. Now let's open it up and take a look at the inside. The interior is clearly organized with well-divided sections, so everything has its own place, and you can see that. The layout keeps your products and tools separated so they don't bump into each other, which is nice. It will help prevent damage while storing or transporting your tools. The top layer is designed specifically for gel storage. It includes 2 foam inserts that hold your gel bottles securely in place. The foam keeps everything snug so the bottles don't move around, which helps prevent spills or breakage. Now let's add some tools so you can see how much it can actually hold. You can easily store things like a nail drill, a compact nail lamp, gel bottles, brushes, and other nail tools. It's really space efficient while still keeping everything organized and easy to access. So I will grab my items we are going to be placing in here and let's see how much room we have. So if I was going to be mobile or even storage in my room would be great as well, but we'll kind of pretend I'm going to be somewhat mobile with this case today, and I'm going to fill it up for what I need for clients on the go. So I love the fact that the MelodySusie base and top coat, they're the rounder bottles, but they're made to fit in here, which is really nice. I'll show you. So they fit in there great. We've got our top coat. And then we're going to stick some MelodySusie cat eye polishes in here. And they fit perfect in the front. Not sure what my client would need today, so we're going to stick a few. That's what I love about it. It has a lot of storage for a lot of color, and that's really nice. And we're going to put some of these type of MelodySusie polishes in here as well. And you may see in the top right hand corner once in a while, I'll be posting videos from MelodySusie, past videos I did with the products that I'm putting in here. I won't say, but you will see those popping up. And the little butterfly swatches I added to the bottles. So that is a lot of polishes in there, and of course your base and top coat. And let's close it up and see how it is. So the insert just fits over and it's going to close up nicely. There is a zipper pocket and a mesh pocket that are perfect for smaller items and accessories. I'm just going to put some items up top here first. So I'll show you. So we're going to do that now, and I will fill it and then show you. So I will be taking a dust collector, so I'll take the filters along and they'll go up there. And also a mask, of course, from MelodySusie. And obviously I'll show you. You could fit more up there, but that's good for now what I need. So I'll close it up. Okay, so now we're going to fill the bottom. I'm going to bring my camera down lower so you can see what I'm putting in here for the next part of the ManiCaddy. So a must for taking to be mobile, you need a dust collector, and this is a mini one. It's really good. Again, I'll have those videos up in the top right if you want to check them out after. So we're going to add that. Another really important one, you need a UV LED light, and this is a really good one. It's awesome for not getting exposure on your hands, and it has for the thumb. So I'll be taking this one. So now when I do go, of course you need files and buffers. Files, and there's buffers and a cuticle nipper, and this is for my bits to clean after. And I'm going to grab some bits. So we need some MelodySusie bits to go along, and they're going to go in here. And of course, sanding bands as well for the one bit. So then I'm going to close this up, and it is going to go in there. I'm going to need some cuticle oil, and this is from MelodySusie. So that could go there. And I need some lint-free wipes. So that can go there on top of the dust collector. So I'm going to also need some nail art brushes. So these ones can go right in here. So now we're going to move down to the bottom part, and we'll add to that. So this nail drill, I could put in the pocket down here. It will fit nicely. I also need to take brushes, so I'm going to grab the MelodySusie brushes. It's nice when they have lids, of course. Makes it a little easier. And I could fit probably 2 brushes in each one, but I'm just showing you right now. So that's pretty much everything I'm going to need, and it fit nicely. So there's what it's looking like, and I still have room for more, so that's really nice. I might put a thinner apron in there as well, but everything fits, and it's kept separately, which is really nice. And I love the fact that it has a spot for those brushes. And the top, which of course you saw, is full of polishes. Well, we're going to close it up now. So everything did fit perfect in there. So one feature I really like is that it offers 3 different carrying options. You can carry it by hand, so the handle right here, wear it with a shoulder or crossbody strap, or slide it onto a suitcase using the trolley sleeve. So there's the sleeve, and it's definitely expands out if you need it to fit on there, which is really nice. And I will just grab the crossbody strap or the shoulder strap. It comes with it, and it's in a bag, but I'm just going to pull it out and show you where it hooks on. So here's the pink strap that comes with it. So if you're going to want it as a crossbody, it's got 2 hooks on the end. You're going to leave it longer, and it's adjustable. So we're going to put it on here. I'll just turn this so you can see. So it has these, so you can hook it to that. And then we're going to turn it to the other side, and there's another one to hook it to. They're made really, really well. So now it's a crossbody strap, and if you want to shorten it, so here is the adjustment part of the strap, and you can make it a lot shorter then. So whether you're working in a studio, storing your tools at home, or traveling with your kid, it makes transporting everything really convenient. So that's nice. So let's look at a few of the smaller details. So there was a zipper pocket and a mesh pocket that are perfect for smaller items and accessories, which I showed you at the top. The outer layer is also water resistant, which adds a little extra protection to your tools and products. So if you're running out to a client's and it's raining, you're going to be okay. Nothing's going to get wet. And the zippers are very, very sturdy. They're made very well. They unzip really, really easy, which is nice. MelodySusie always makes great products. If you're a nail tech, a mobile nail tech, or someone who has a lot of nail products at home, this makes it really easy to keep everything neat, protected, and ready to go. I'm absolutely loving the new ManiCaddy from MelodySusie. You've done it again. It's beautiful. I will have the link for this ManiCaddy down in the description of the video so you can find it easily. And I do have a coupon code for MelodySusie. So let me know down in the comments what you think of this. Would you purchase it? I think it's great. In general, I would love to have been younger and been a mobile tech, but I can use it at home as well for storage. So that is always nice. So if you like this video, could you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see everybody in the next one.